Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my December 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus unboxing. I'm so excited that we are officially starting another month of beauty subscription unboxings here on my channel, and that I just received both of these together, so I'm doing a 2-in-1 unboxing, and it'll be a good way to compare how they are, because this one here, the regular Glam Bag Plus, how much is it now? Maybe $15. The Glam Bag Plus, $30, $35, like double the price of this one here. So let's see how they compare. And if you're not familiar with Ipsy, it's a monthly beauty subscription, and it's supposed to be customized to your preferences based off of product feedback and quizzes. With the regular Glam Bag, I get to choose one of my products, but with the Glam Bag Plus, you get to choose 3 out of your 5 full-size products. So typically I like the Plus better, but let's see what I've got going on this month. And also, by the way, I'm not going to be swatching and trying out the products in this video, because here on my YouTube channel I have a series where I try out a new makeup product every day. So that's where I'm going to be trying out the makeup products in full dedicated tutorial review videos. And we're going to start with the regular Glam Bag first. And so yeah, if there's any products that I pull out today that you really want me to review first, just let me know in the comments down below. Oh yes, okay, I remember seeing on Instagram the design for the bag this month, and I love it. It's actually like a velvet soft material, which I wasn't expecting, and it's even an orange on the back. This is so cute. With my favorite designs of the Glam Bags, I like to turn them into little clutches by just putting a little clasp on the end here. Sometimes I've gotten Glam Bags that come with the clasp on them already, but this one I could definitely see myself using as a little handbag. I mean, you don't even need to put the wristlet on it. You can just use it as a clutch like this. But okay, all of my products fit in the Glam Bag. There's nothing left in the... Oh wait, I say that and then I feel something. Oh, there is something left in the mailer. Good thing I checked. And it's a brush. This is a beautiful brush, but I have given feedback so many times that I do not want brushes, just because literally in front of me on my filming desk here, I have 5 cups like this filled with brushes, so I don't need any more brushes. Although I recognize this brand here, yeah, the SL Miss Glam, which makes beautiful brushes. This one's kind of almost like a unicorn design, and I don't even find myself using this style of brush very much. It's kind of like a tapered, large, oh, it's a flat brush, but it's like a kind of tapered. And it's large, but not big enough for blush, so I don't even know what I would use this for. So not too psyched about my first product here. And I do have a card. Let's see if there's product information. Yes, there is. So the SL Miss Glam TT04 flat brush. This is full size and it retails for $24. $24 for one brush. That is crazy. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Ooh, this looks like a full-size product. The Rachel Couture Translucent Powder in Light. Okay, this is actually perfect because as I was coming down here, I just finished up my translucent powder that I was using, and I wanted to remind myself to grab a powder from back here. And how perfect that I just got a translucent powder, and from a brand that I'm not familiar with, Rachel Couture. And I love getting to try out new brands. And I, for some reason, love trying out powders. I'm very picky with them. So I'm excited to try this out. Oh yes, this is full size. Retails for $14, which is not crazy expensive. So I'm excited to try out this brand. Rachel Couture Translucent Powder in Light. All right. Let's see next. Oh my gosh. This is so tiny, this sample. It's the Tarte Face Tape Foundation, and I actually have tried this out in a dedicated review video already here on my channel. So I'll have that linked in the description down below because I actually love this foundation. Okay, next up, ooh, this is another brand that I'm not familiar with. Clarks Botanicals Ultra Rich Lip Balm. I love trying out lip balms. I have very dry lips, so I'm always excited to try out lip balms. And from a new brand, or new to me brand. And this looks like a full size. Oh, it says it's a deluxe sample, that the full size retails for $25. I am so excited to see makeup brands that I've never heard of, never tried before. So even though this didn't start off with the best luck with getting the brush, this is actually turning into a really great bag. So let's see what my fifth and final product is. Sophia and Mabel. This is a brand that I've become a little bit familiar with through Ipsy now. The Stack Eyeshadow Duo in Berry Spritz. I love trying out eyeshadows and playing around with eyeshadows. And this is so cute, this packaging. Ooh, a really pretty shade here. I love this layout. So there's like a metallic and a matte, really pretty colors. This is an awesome product. Now this also seems full size. Let's see. Yes, this is full size, retail value of $20. Wow. Okay, so this might be one of the first times that my Ipsy Glam bag truly is over that $50 value that they claim, because here, I'll do a quick recap. I got the brush, which is full size. I got the Rachel Couture translucent powder, which is full size. The Sophia and Mabel Stack Eyeshadow Duo, full size. This great deluxe sample size of the Clarks Lip Balm. And then this teeny tiny Tarte face tape. Although, since I know I love this foundation, this could be a good travel size. If I'm just going on like a little weekend trip, I could just bring this instead of my full-size version. But I love that it's all makeup products. I mean, besides the brush, but no skincare, hair care, nothing like that, because I definitely prefer to get all makeup. So I'm actually overall very happy with my December glam bag. So now I'm so excited to get into the Glam Bag Plus. Oh, and this amazing makeup bag this month. Okay, so first, so cute. They really captured like my personal aesthetic with the designs of the bags this month, because I love the colors in this. This is adorable. It says hooray, which I actually love to use the Glam Bag Plus bags as wine holders. Like, they're a really great shape to put around wine, and the fact that this says hooray is so perfect as a wine gift bag or any gift bag. I love that. And I have some products in here, but also a bunch of products that came out in the mailer here. So let's start with the mailer here. Okay, so I feel like I guess I must have gone on the Ipsy app on the 2nd of the month, which I realize is when you get to make your Ipsy choices, and I chose this and I was really excited. It's from the brand Truly, and it's the Unicorn Fruit Whipped Body Butter. And these Truly whipped products are products I've been wanting to try out. I've seen them in the store and I've really considered buying them. So I was really excited to see this as an option, even though here I was saying I prefer to get makeup. This I was excited to choose. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. And look at it. It's like this rainbow whipped formula. I can't resist. I got to touch it. Oh, it's a little bit more firm than I was expecting. But it smells like sweet candy, which is my favorite smell. I like to smell like cotton candy. That's like my personal preference when it comes to fragrances. And I'm always using up body products because I put on a body lotion every single day after I shower. So I'm always looking to get new ones. So I can't stop smelling it. It smells amazing. I am so excited to try this out. It has acai, chia seed, CO2, matcha, rose water, vegan collagen booster. This is vegan, clean, high-performing, animal cruelty-free, made in the USA with global ingredients. And with the Glam Bag Plus, I don't have product information, but I'll let you know that type of retail value, all of that information when I do those dedicated review videos. But okay, next up I've got, okay, I think this is from another brand that I'm not familiar with. It's called Finding Ferdinand, and this is Lash Lift Mascara. Yay, I love trying out mascaras. I'm very picky with them, and I was already saying how I love getting to try out new brands, so this is a product I'm very excited to get. Next up, okay, seriously, this is a type of product, or not even a type of product, a product I have received at least twice already in Ipsy and BoxyCharm, and it's from the brand Alley-Oop, and it's Stack the Odds Multi-Use Face Stacker. 3 cream shades to play, highlight, blush, and contour, in the shade Sassy Pants. This might be a slightly different shade. I remember the last time I got one of these, I actually did reach out to, I think it was BoxyCharm, or maybe it was Ipsy, and said, oh, you sent me a repeat product, and they were like, no, we didn't, it's in a different shade. So that is wild that I got this again. And I have a dedicated review video of this on my channel already, which I will have linked in the description down below. And I liked it when I tried it, but I don't need 3, 4, so many of these. So I will probably end up gifting this holiday season to someone else because it is a nice product. But that's kind of a bummer that I'm getting it again. And I remember other people saying in comments on those videos that they got repeated the Alley-Oop Stack the Odds products as well, and I'm sure people are not going to be happy since it's showing up again in Ipsy. And then next, ooh, this goes with the aesthetic of the bags this month. It's Lucky Chick Liquid Eyeshadow. I don't think I'm familiar with this brand either. Oh my gosh, this might be like the most new brands that I'm getting to try out in 1 month. I'm so excited. Yeah, this looks beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's in the shade Dusty Lav, and it really is. It's like a dusty lavender. It looks so sparkly and pretty. I am so excited to play around with this. And then, oh, we do have a little product card. Let's see if there's information. No, just whatever information this is. Minimalist versus maximalist New Year's Eve makeup trends. Okay. And so I pulled out 4 products so far. Yep, I've got my 5th and final product. Wait, I've tried this before too. Ciate London, the Velvet Palette. And this is a product that I got in BoxyCharm. So I'll have my review video of this linked in the description down below. Ooh, it looks a little messy here. Yeah, a little messy, but nothing seems broken. A really beautiful looking palette, but it is seriously so frustrating that I'm getting products that are repeated from BoxyCharm to Ipsy because they are connected companies now. So I wish there was a way that they would just figure out what they've already sent me before. So you know what? I might like my regular Glam Bag more than my Glam Bag Plus. So I'll do a quick recap. I mean, I was really excited about 3 of my Glam Bag Plus products. So very excited about the Finding Ferdinand Mascara, the Truly Unicorn Fruit Whipped Body Butter, and the Lucky Chick Liquid Eyeshadow. But then very bummed about the repeated products, the Alley-Oop Stack the Odds, and the Ciate London Velvet Palette. So it's like really good products and then really bummer products here. Not that they're bad products, but I don't want to be getting repeat. That's the fun of doing these beauty subscriptions, is getting to try out new products every month. So when almost like half of my products are repeat, that's a real bummer. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of these products. I would love to hear what you think of them, but also let me know what you got in your Ipsy Glam bags this month. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.